How to remove music from Instagram Reels and Stories. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can remove music from Instagram Reels and Stories. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you have not posted your reels yet and you want to remove the music, then you have to open the reel in the editing screen like on my screen. So once you are here, tap on the edit video icon or the button at the bottom left corner. Now once you land on the editing screen, you can remove or adjust the volume to 0. Tap on the audio from the timeline, then tap on volume. Now you can remove or you can adjust your volume to 0, then tap on done. If not, you can simply tap on the music and then simply tap on discard, and that's gonna remove the audio from your reel. And now you can save or continue editing, and after that you can post it without audio. But if you have already posted the reel, then what you have to do is head towards your profile. Tap on your profile icon from the bottom right. Now from your profile you have to select the reel and tap on three dot at the top right. Tap on edit. See the remove option or mute the original sound. You can do that, but if the edit option is not available, the only way or the only option left is to delete and re-upload the reel without music. And same with your stories. If you have not posted your story yet, you can tap on the music or sticker icon on the story, then tap on delete and remove the added music. After that you can post that to your story. But if you have already posted your story, then all you have to do is tap on open up the story, tap on the three dot icon at the top right, and then tap on delete. After that you can re-upload the story without music. So Instagram does not allow direct removal. So for that, the alternative way is to re-upload or edit the content without music. And that's how you can post reels or stories without music. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.